Have you ever wondered what your body is actually made of? Not muscles, not bones, not organs, but something far smaller. In fact, everything in your body begins with microscopic units called cells. Right now, inside your body, around 37 trillion cells are working together, carrying oxygen, fighting infections, producing energy, and keeping you alive every second. If cells stop working properly, the entire system begins to fail. Understanding cells is the first step to understanding life itself. A cell is the smallest unit of life capable of carrying out all the functions necessary for survival. Every living organism, from tiny bacteria to the human body, is built from cells. Some organisms consist of a single cell, while humans are made of trillions of highly specialized cells working together in an organized system. Cells may be tiny, but they are incredibly complex. Each cell contains structures called organelles, which function like specialized departments inside a factory. The nucleus acts as the control center of the cell, containing DNA, the genetic instructions that tell the cell how to function and reproduce. The mitochondria produce energy for the cell, often called the powerhouses of the cell. The cell membrane surrounds the cell and carefully controls what enters and leaves, protecting the internal environment. Different types of cells perform different roles. Red blood cells transport oxygen throughout the body. Nerve cells, also called neurons, transmit electrical signals that allow the brain to communicate with the rest of the body. Muscle cells contract and allow movement. Immune cells defend the body against harmful bacteria and viruses. Each cell type is specialized to perform a particular task, yet all of them cooperate to keep the body functioning properly. Cells are also responsible for growth and repair. Through a process called cell division, cells replicate themselves to replace damaged or old cells. Every day, millions of cells in your body die and are replaced with new ones. This constant renewal allows tissues to heal and organs to maintain their function. The study of cells began in the 17th century when the English scientist Robert Hooke first observed tiny structures in cork under a microscope in 1665. He called them cells because they resembled small rooms. Later scientists such as Anton van Leeuwenhoek improved microscopes and observed living cells for the first time, opening the door to modern cell biology. However, when cells begin to behave abnormally, serious diseases can develop. For example, when cells grow uncontrollably, they can form cancer. When immune cells attack the body's own tissues, autoimmune diseases occur. Many medical conditions originate at the cellular level, which is why scientists focus heavily on understanding how cells function. Today, advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning are helping scientists study cells in ways that were impossible before. AI systems can analyze microscopic images of cells, detect early signs of cancer, and help researchers understand how diseases develop inside the body. These technologies are accelerating medical discoveries and improving our ability to diagnose diseases earlier than ever before. Even though cells are microscopic, they are the true foundation of life. Trillions of them cooperate every second to build tissues, form organs, and keep the human body alive. Understanding how cells work helps us understand not only how the body functions, but also how diseases begin and how modern medicine can fight them.